Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Flutter SDK, Vscode, and device or emulator. Run Flutter Doctor to fix obvious issues and add Flutter to path so commands work globally. Once done, install the Flutter and Dart extensions in Vscode for project templates and debugging. Then create a new project with Flutter Create My App and open that folder in Vscode. This gives you the project tree, pubspec, YAML, and a runnable main. Dart immediately, so you can build now. You focus on iteration and tooling, use the integrated terminal to run Flutter Run, and press R for hot reload or R for a full restart to see code changes instantly. Make edits in main. Dart while relying on IntelliSense and refactor actions, extract widget, rename symbol, to keep code clean. Once you add packages, update pubspec. YAML and run Flutter pub get so dependencies resolve. Make sure to select the target device in the status bar, because building for the right platform matters. You wrap up by building a release artifact. Use Flutter Build App for Android or Flutter Build iOS for iOS, then sign and optimize the binary. In VS Code, use the debug view to set breakpoints, inspect variables, and watch expressions while reproducing issues. Logs reveal runtime errors. If something breaks, try a focused fix. Run Flutter clean, then Flutter pub get, and finally Flutter Doctor to detect missing components. This common triage resolves most build and dependency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.